Today we're going to make triple chocolate brownies, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. You need 9 cups of flour. You need 1 cup of the chocolate cocoa mix. You're going to need 1 cup of vegetable oil. We're putting in 3, 4, let's see, half a cup of sugar, brown sugar, light brown sugar, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon, sorry, of baking soda, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of oil, and 3 eggs into your bowl. Mix it well. You put 1 cup of chocolate chips in there. Your 9 cups of flour is going in there, mixed with your cocoa mix that you got, your cocoa powder. Then you end up with a nice chocolatey mixture like this. So 325 for 45 minutes. I'm going to give them a try. I've already started to separate them and put them in the other container because there's quite a few of them here. So I'll take a little bit. I won't lie, I've already eaten a few of them and they're really moist, so good you can't stop eating them.